Today for our writing performance task, we are working on an opinion. Your class has been learning about how mosquitoes spread malaria and other diseases. Now your class is going to write opinion articles, which will be published in the school newspaper, about the best way to contribute to the fight against malaria. Before you write about the best way to help fight malaria, you do some research. As part of your research, you have found the following 3 sources that discuss how mosquitoes spread disease, how to treat malaria, and how countries try to beat malaria. After you have reviewed these sources, you will answer some questions about them. Briefly scan the sources and the 3 questions that follow. Then, go back and review the sources carefully to gather the information you will need to answer the questions and write your opinion article for the school newspaper. In part 2, you will write an opinion article using details from the 3 sources. Directions for part 1. You will now look at 3 sources. You can look at any of the sources as often as you like. Research questions. After looking at the sources, use the rest of the time in part 1 to answer 3 questions about them. Your answers to these questions will be scored. Also, your answers will help you think about the information you have read, which should help you write your opinion article. You may refer to the sources when you think it would be helpful. You may also look at your notes.